And the other good thing as well here that we've got on the homepage of the business suite that's been updated is content inspiration. Now, the great thing about content inspiration is you can get a reasonably quick idea, similar to Instagram hashtags, of good, engaging content that different pages and different businesses are sharing at the moment. So let's just click into one, for example, and we can see this great one here. Haven Marlborough, happy all new businesses coming for work. Don't hesitate to reach out. And then we can exit out of that and we can go to the next one. We'll just let it reload again. Coming back down, and we can get some more content inspiration at the bottom. And let's have a look at Be Creative, for example. So as you can see here, new post, just exit out of it and have a look at maybe one more, Sophie and Elise. As you can see here, best toasty place in New Zealand, just sharing a bit of user experience. So a great way to self-promote and great way for you as a page administrator and a page contributor to get new content ideas.